5 seconds to go. Start. Further, CBDT itself has issued circular in circular number 3 of 2018, which is issued as a measure for reducing litigation by revision of monetary limits for filing appeals by the department before the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, High Courts and SLP appeals before this court. In the said circular, it is clearly mentioned that for considering tax effect, it includes applicable surcharge and cess. Same will also strengthen the stand of the assessee. Thus, it is clear that the surcharge which is sought to be levied is nothing but the enhancement of sales tax which is levied under section 5(1) of the KGST Act, when the basic sales tax paid by KSBC under section 5(1)(b) of the KGST Act deduction was allowed, there is no reason not to allow deduction of surcharge on sales tax if the revenue does not consider section 48(2)(b) is applicable to the basic sales tax paid by KSBC under section 5(1)(b) of the KGST Act. It is not known how the surcharge on sales tax, which is nothing but the sales tax, can be brought in the net of section 40A 2BA or 40A 2BB of the Act. Further, a clear distinction between fee and tax is carefully maintained throughout the scheme under section 40A of the Act itself. Wherever the Parliament intended to cover the tax, it specifically mentioned as a tax. Section 40A(1) and 40A(1)(a) specifically relate to tax related items. Section 40A(1)(c) refers to a sum paid on account of fringe benefit tax. At the same time, section 40A(2)(b) refers to royalty, license fee, service fee, privilege fee or any other fee or charge. If these words are considered to include a tax or surcharge like sales tax, the distinction so carefully spelt out in section 40 between a tax and a fee will be obliterated and rendered meaningless. It is settled principle of interpretation that where the same statute uses different terms and expressions, then it is clear that legislature is referring to distinct and different things. Granted to the appellant will squarely fall within the purview of section 40A(2)(b) of the Income Tax Act 1961. The surcharge on sales tax and turnover tax is not a fee or charge coming within the scope of section 40A(2)(ba) or 40A(2)(bb). As such, same is not an amount which can be disallowed under the said provision, and disallowance made in this regard is rightly set aside by the High Court. Accordingly, the civil appeal filed by the assessee is dismissed and the civil appeals filed by the revenue are partly allowed to the extent indicated above. In result, the assessments completed against the assessee with respect to assessment years 2014, 2015 and 2015-2016 stand set aside. The assessing officer to pass revised orders after computing the liability in accordance with the directions as indicated above. As the dispute relates to assessment years 2014, 2015 and 2015-2016, the assessing officer shall pass appropriate orders within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of this judgment. Stop.